Hi Mike, I got a treat for you today. Got a 2002 Ford F250 with only 176,000 miles. This is a 7.3 liter diesel 4x4 off-road. It's got the 4-door, the extra fold-away seats in the back. Beautiful interior, well maintained. Everything on this truck works. You got power mirrors, power windows, power door locks, headlights, 4x4 ice cold AC, HDX step. There she is. She's been lifted. Got fairly new suspension. You can still see the stickers from when they installed it. Nice shiny rims. 4x4 off-road. No rust in this. It's a beautiful truck. Tow package. Runs great. Turbocharged. Nice shiny chrome. No pitting. Look at that. Still got the stickers on suspension they just put in. Beautiful rims. Beautiful chrome. Sounds wonderful. A little bit of sunburn on the hood and the roof. That's to be expected. It's a 2002. It's a great work truck. I'm 6'5". A little tough for me to get in here. Listen to this baby. Just beautiful all around. Ready for a new home. See you later.